All right, Matt, thank you. Governor McMaster answered some questions on what is being done on a state level as students head back to school this week. He was in Spartanburg today, where he said he still does not believe masks should be required.
I don't think it's right to require children to wear masks. They don't have a choice about what to do or whether to get the vaccine because it's not available to most of them, but adults do. So adults, if they are concerned, particularly if they work around the schools, they need to be sure to be vaccinated, get that vaccination.
Meanwhile, the Palmetto State Teachers Association calling for something to be done. In a statement released today, they said in part, quote, "It is time for leadership at all levels of government to accept the hard truth that a refusal to address the growing public health crisis will endanger the health and development of children." And some counties in South Carolina, they are taking action with this. Tonight, we've learned Richland County Council passed a mask mandate for all elementary and middle school students. This affects both public and private schools. And just a couple hours ago, the Charleston County School Board voted to require masks for everybody, including students and staff in school facilities, until October 15th. We will follow up with the governor's office to learn more about that.
And here in the upstate in Pickens County, that's where the district started their virtual schedule today. It comes after officials confirmed 160 students tested positive for COVID-19 within the first 10 days. The move has caused a debate among parents, with some protesting the decision to go to virtual. Meanwhile, other parents say it's the right thing to do to protect their children. We heard from both sides of the issue, and you'll hear from them coming up in the next half hour. Well, COVID outbreaks are affecting the high school football season before it even begins. 3 football games canceled already this week. Union County and Chester's game canceled. Landrum and Buford and Walhalla at West Oak, all of those games canceled. All 3 upstate teams confirmed it's due to related COVID-19 issues. Many of those players, if not all in staff, are quarantining and getting tested. We'll keep you updated as we learn more about those teams. So stay with us here on air and, of course, inside our free Fox Carolina News app. And we should mention that State Superintendent Molly Spearman will be holding a news conference tomorrow with the state epidemiologist Linda Bell. They'll be talking about more recommendations for schools, and we'll have that coverage beginning at 11 a.m. inside our free app.